Hello everyone, today we are continuing with our passive information gathering session of ours. Today we will familiarize a new tool called the Harvester. The Harvester tool is pre-installed in Kali Linux. To start the Harvester, just type the tool name in terminal and press enter. Remember, H is capital. To see the syntax of using the Harvester, type the Harvester -H. Here we can see the syntax. The Harvester is a best tool for finding subdomains and email of target. To represent the target domain, -D is been used before target domain. We set a limit to the number of result we need, that is by adding -L followed by number. If you look carefully, we can see various sources been listed here. This means if you provide -B followed by any source listed here, the Harvester will find information using that source. But not all source listed here will bring you result. Some of them are paid. Let's try a practical. I will show both working and not working source listed here. I am targeting Tesla.com here. I am trying to collect information using source as Yahoo. Just observe the syntax. Here we can see, we found Tesla company email and various subdomains of Tesla. Now let's try with another source, that is subdomain center. And we are following same syntax. Here we can see we found a lot of information. In the next video we will learn about another tool.